Hello everyone, it's the 30th of June 2022 and I'm welcoming today's edition of the Science Newsletter. The first story that caught my attention today is the story that was published in Asia Nikkei business portion, and it talks about the fact that Samsung has now started producing chips with the 3 nanometer architecture. This puts them in the first place as being the first company producing chips with this architecture on a mass scale. The other two stories that caught my attention today are both from the group of Oliver S. Wagner, and they both deal with photochemistry and photocatalysis. The first deals with the Photoredox catalysis promoted by copper complexes in conjunction with a organic photoredox catalyst, where the way the catalysis works is reminiscent of how the Z scheme of natural photosynthesis works, where the first photocatalyst raises the electron up a bit in energy and then transfers it to the second photocatalyst, which raises it up in energy even further, with the next photon being absorbed, and thus the combined lifting of electron up in energy over these two photocatalysts is more than any one of the two catalysts could do on their own. The second story from this group that caught my attention today is this story about manganese 1 complexes with the isocyanate ligands, where other complexes of this structure with this type of ligands have shown luminescence. However, these complexes of manganese 1, which have these monodentate aryl isocyanate ligands, show dissociation of the ligand rather than luminescence, which shows that the architecture of the ligand is important and needs to be multidentate rather than monodentate. Thank you for your kind attention. I'll see you again tomorrow.